All right, so here comes the rougher. You'll see we're running a air blast to help with chip evacuation. 256 inches a minute, just a hair over 3,000 RPM. We're gonna rough each counterbore. After the roughing, we're gonna go grab the finishing end mill to size the counterbore for 1.5 inch diameter. For a tool change, go grab the end mill. This is a 4-flute solid carbide end mill. 2 passes just to give a nice finish and to size it correctly. And here we're feeding 2,000 RPM at 10 inches a minute. And still running the air blast just to help evacuate chips. And we're running this on our G-Series high output model, Cat 50 spindle with a ZF gearbox. Last counterbore. Then we're gonna grab our mic and inspect the bores. All right, let's check it out. Got the mic, check the first bore.
5 to 6 tenths in there.
5 to 6 tenths over on that one. The next one.
That was right on those.
Right on, maybe 1/10 over.
Yep. 1/10.
And the last counterbore.
Looks like about the same as the first one.
And on this one, 5/10 over. Perfect.